It's no secret that AI is here to stay, and some might even argue that it's the future. I'm not gonna lie, at first I was a little confused, but the last year or so has been a huge breakthrough with artificial intelligence. We're already seeing so many amazing time-saving features for creatives in programs like Adobe Premiere, Photoshop, and Lightroom, just for example. Video editors can take advantage of AI effects like enhanced speech, auto reframe, and unsharp mask for faster real-time video editing. Clean up your photos with the AI-powered tools in Lightroom so you can capture all your best moments. Upscale and make complex edits in Photoshop in a snap, thanks to the RTX accelerated AI enhancements. Or use AI to literally add or remove images to photos and concepts with Adobe Photoshop's generative fill feature. Right now, you can even enjoy 3 months of a free Adobe Creative Cloud bundle with the purchase of any ProArt card. It's insane how much time AI has even saved me in my workflow as a creative, and I feel like it's just getting started. I mean, even the benefits of using it for gaming with the latest GeForce RTX 40 series graphics cards from ASUS, and video with DLSS 3.5 with ray reconstruction support is out of this world and makes a clear difference when enabled. The reflection is much clearer with DLSS 3.5 with ray reconstruction on, and it even delivers a higher frame rate while improving the quality. It's like the best of everything. Regardless, over the last few years, the development behind artificial intelligence has come a very long way, thanks to companies like ASUS and NVIDIA powering the evolution behind it. As graphics cards have grown more powerful, their size has increased as well. However, with the SFF Ready Size Guideline, you can easily find enthusiast GeForce cards in small form factor cases that are guaranteed to fit, streamlining your powerful PC build with the end result of a smaller footprint. With cards like the ASUS ProArt GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super, not only being able to deliver amazing AI throughout, but also doing it efficiently in a compact 2.5 slot minimalist design. ASUS's GeForce RTX 40 series graphics cards feature optimized cooling to keep cards compact, but still have all the RTX GPU performance you've come to expect. This even includes the new ASUS Prime lineup of graphics cards for anyone looking to explore more options in compact cards for their new builds. From classwork to creative projects all the way to entertainment, the RTX powered AI in ASUS is the most advanced AI experience to date. It really does feel like we're in groundbreaking times when it comes to the new performance of these cards.